How to change language in Mitrade. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how you can change your language in Mitrade account. First of all, open up the Mitrade application on your device and sign in if necessary. Once you're signed in, go ahead and tap on the hub button at the bottom right corner. And this will take you to your profile section where you'll need to go ahead and scroll down to settings. After you tap on settings, go to the language option on the next page and click on it. Now, select the language you want to change to from the list. Finally, click on done at the top right corner and your language will be changed. So that is how it's done. You can repeat this step for every other language changes you want to make. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.